This is the unboxing of an adjustable rear track bar for a 2013 Jeep Wrangler JK. Included in the box is a Maxpeedingrods brochure, a Maxpeedingrods decal, the product precautions and instructions, the grease fittings for the adjustable track bar, and the adjustable rear track bar itself. Here are the tools required to remove and install the adjustable rear track bar on the Jeep Wrangler JK. A large 21mm deep socket, an 8mm wrench, a 21mm wrench, an adjustable wrench, a heavy-duty impact wrench, and a large torque wrench. Using the 21mm deep socket with the impact wrench, remove the mounting bolt for the adjustable rear track bar. Once the nut and bolt is fully removed, we can now repeat the same process on the other side using a 21mm deep socket with the impact wrench and a 21mm wrench to remove the other mounting bolt for the rear track bar. Once the bolt and nut is removed, we can now fully take out the rear track bar. Here is a comparison between the old and new track bars. The old track bar does not have grease fittings. After long-term use, the bushings crack and deteriorate. The new track bar comes with grease fittings for a better service life. Before installing the new adjustable track bar, we need to adjust its length to match the original one. Now we can begin the installation. First, we need to install the grease protective cap. First, align the hole, and then install the grease zerk. We can then tighten it with an 8mm wrench. Once tightened with the 8mm wrench, we can put the protective cap on. We can install the grease fitting on the other side the same way. Once the zerk is installed, the installation is complete. Now we can start installing the track bar. Line up the mounting holes and insert the bar into place. After aligning holes, reinsert the mounting bolt. Once the bolt is inserted, install the nut on the other side, and then align the holes on the other side of the track bar and insert the mounting bolt the same way. And then install the fixing nut. Now use a 21mm deep socket with an impact wrench and tighten the two mounting bolts on the adjustable rear track bar. Using a 21mm deep socket with the impact wrench and a 21mm wrench, tighten the other mounting bolt. After the adjustable rear track bar is secured, use an adjustable wrench to tighten the jam nut. Finally, use a 21mm deep socket with a torque wrench to torque the two mounting bolts. The torque specification is 110 Nm or 81 foot-pounds.